This video is going to show you how to find the percentage of a given amount. So for example, I might ask you to find 20% of $80, let's say. Okay, so what we're going to do is set up this sentence, which is written in English, into a mathematical sentence, just working left to right. First of all, 20% I know I can write as 20%. So all I've done is change 20% into 20 over 100. I'm going to, in maths, always remember that an of I change to a times. So I've just converted my of into a times, and the 80, I'll just drop the dollars because I'm just going to be concerned about the number for now. So I have basically just worked left to right, translating or converting what is a pretty much an English sentence into a mathematical sentence. So the 20% I'm writing as 20 over 100. The of I'm writing as a times. And the 80, I'm just dropping the units because I wouldn't key those dollars into my calculator. All I'm left to do now is key that mathematics into my calculator. So I will just go 20 divided by 100 times 80. So if you press the buttons on your calculator, 20% of 80, you should get 16. And then at the end, because I knew I was talking about dollars there, I'll put the dollars back in here. So it's very simple, just working left to right, convert every part of our sentence into mathematics instead of English. So 20% is 20 over 100. Of becomes a times, 80 becomes 80. Let's try another one. If I ask you to find 15% of 90, left to right, 15%, I know that 15% means 15 out of 100. My of, I'm going to change to a times. My 90, I'll just leave as 90. Our calculator is now going to do the rest. 15 divided by 100, so 15 divided by 100, press the buttons on your calculator, times 90, and you should get an answer of 13.5. Now I'm not going to put a percentage here because I'm not finding a percentage, I already knew a percentage. If I had some units up here, if it was dollars like I had up there, I would put dollars here. If this was meters, I would put a meters here. Whatever unit is here, I would transfer it down there. These questions are not going to get any harder mathematically, but you're going to have some written questions where you need to pick these numbers out of your written sentence. But each time you're just going to set it up like this. Have fun.